Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is Christmas Eve and we're all freezing to death. So I hope you all are doing well through all this crazy, and I just wanted to share we're doing a real easy dinner tonight, and I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope that you're doing okay. I worry. I've thought about everybody. It's like I want a roll call when this is over. And we're just staying warm here. I hope you're figuring out your weak spots. That's what happened to us. And are able to just, fix those when this passes. I mean, that's all we can do. So I'm wishing you all the best and a very Merry Christmas. And yeah, let's make dinner. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. Those thumbs up and comments sure do help. So we are going to make for our Christmas Eve dinner, keeping it easy. We're going to do some home canned chili. So I'm going to open 2 jars of this. Or they have this at the grocery. So if you see it, you might want to try it. You can buy it already canned if you're not a canner. And then I have some flour tortillas. Those are shelf stable, or you can put them in the freezer and then defrost them whenever you want to use them. I grated cheddar and any white cheese you want, pepper cheese, jack cheese. This is Havarti. I'm just using what I have. So I'm going to make quesadillas to go with these. So I have some red hot yellow peppers. I've got the sriracha. I've got some cowgirl candy. I've got some Mexican pickles. I've got some red salsa. I've got some green salsa. So whoever wants, this is getting super hot. Super duper hot. So whoever wants whatever with their quesadilla and chili verde, you've got them covered. I've got Louisiana hot sauce, Tabasco, Tapatio, green salsa. Like, there's so many hot sauces around here. Kick your ass, sriracha, red hot. Yeah, we've got lots. So I'm going to open this over the sink. Our chili verde. Here's another jar from a different batch. I usually work with whatever chilies I have, and this one has a lot of meat in it. And this is really good if you have the flour tortillas to make a burrito. So if you have other fixings or any of these sauces or Mexican pickles or lettuce or whatever in your cheese, you could make burrito or enchiladas or taquitos. Roll it and fry it. You can make a chimichanga, wrap it and fry it, shred it up and put it in taquitos and fry them. Flautas, do them, wrap them like taquitos, roll them up in flour tortilla. A taco salad and make the tortilla your shell. Enchilada, use the green sauce, roll them in corn tortillas or flour tortillas. So many things you can do. So I'm going to add a little water to these jars and get those juices in there. Okay, and we're just going to heat this up, so when this is hot, I'll come back and we will work on our easy cheese quesadillas. Okay, our chili verde is hot, so I have buttered, don't know if you can see that, buttered a tortilla. We're going to do it just like we would a grilled cheese. And I have another one buttered and ready to go. Some cheddar cheese. Some white cheese. This white cheese is very creamy. Some green onion. Some jalapeno. Put our other piece on. He's watching something Christmassy in there. Get our dish ready. I think I'll add some broth to that. So there's our chili verde. Have all of our toppings here, our Mexican pickles, red salsa, avocado salsa, some bean dip, and sour cream. I'm adding some chicken broth. This is done. There's that. And we are going to cut it. It's hot. It's melty. It's crispy. And put whatever toppings you want on your chili verde and your quesadilla, and that is our Christmas Eve dinner. So you all have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. I will see you soon, and yeah, you stay safe. It's definitely a different kind of Christmas, so especially if you have kids, make it a story to remember. We'll get through this. So y'all take care. See you soon.